Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to enable ambient sound on your headphones EDIFIER W830NB. You have to start by open the application and now go to noise cancellation controls. Right here click and add the ambient sound and we enable it. Now you can manage it if you want to. If you want to increase it, just move to the right, and if you want to lower it, move it to the left. But you can also enable it with a gesture. So go back, now click the settings icon at the right top, go to control settings, and right here you should add this ambient sound. But we can have only 3 these presets, so you should disable one of these. Let's say I don't need to turn off noise cancellation. So click on it, and now click on ambient sound, and right here we have it. So if we're turning here and press one time at the Windows button, we swap to wind reduction, and after wind reduction we will have ambient sound. So click again and we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.